Here's the secret to making real movie-style popcorn. We're going to use Bob's Red Mill yellow popcorn, about 1.5 layers to 2 layers of kernels. We're going to use Dutchman's buttery coconut oil, about 5 dessert spoons, and a teaspoon of Flavacol. I'm going to set my induction cooker to about 1/3 of maximum heat. We're going to melt the coconut oil, and now we're pouring in that 1.5 layers to 2 layers of kernels. See me set the heat to about 1/3, and the key here is I increase it very, very slowly. So you're seeing me increase it by 1 notch, and then I go away for a minute, and then I increase it by another notch. And in fact, when I get to 50%, I might go away for a few minutes. We're starting to get some popping here, so I'm going to add that teaspoon of Flavacol now, and I'm going to shake everything around, try to get a nice even layer of the kernels, and then I'm going to crank up the heat to about 60% and cover it, and I do not take it off the heat now. I don't shake it anymore, I don't take it off the heat, I leave it. Now what you really are aiming for is you want to pop as many of the kernels as possible. You also don't want to burn them, and that is achieved by having them all pop at the same time. That's why we've been heating them up slowly. So now you're going to see them pop, pop, pop. See how we did. A lot of them popped. Let's see if we've got unpopped kernels are burning. Take them out. I don't see any burning. Look at that, no unpopped kernels. Perfect.